Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Easy Learn. And today's topic is area of triangles, within which we're going to be dealing with non-right angled triangles. And we already have another video that discussed the area for right angled triangles. If you haven't watched that, you can check the link in the description below and understand from that video. And for this one, there are two ways for finding the area for non-right angled triangles, and this one is part one of the series. In this, we're going to be discussing the first way, and then part two is going to tell you the second way. So moving on, let's suppose I have a triangle. So this part right here is my base. Then the heights that are going towards the diagonal sides, they're called as slant height, and the one that is in between or the vertical height is referred to as height. The ones that are diagonal are called as slant height, and the one that is vertical, you just refer it as just height. And we already know that the area for finding right angled triangles is half times base times height. That's the formula that we discussed when we were doing area of right angled triangle. And this one is the area of a non right angled triangle provided that the base and the height are known, which means that you should have your base and you should have your height. Or perhaps you should know how to find the height from probably a given base and a slant height. But in the end, if you have these two measures, that is the base and the height, you can easily apply this formula, that is base times height, in order to find the area of a non right angled triangle. So I know that the horizontal one is my base and the length that is vertical is my height. Do not confuse yourself with slant height and just height. Slant height is basically the two diagonals that are making the triangle, and the vertical height is just right from the center. So let's look at an example. For instance, I have this triangle which has a base of 12 centimeter, and let's suppose this vertical height is 7 centimeter. Keeping in mind the formula for non-right angled triangle, that is base times height. Now I have my base, I have my height, and as you can see that it's important that these two measures are given to you. Doesn't matter if you have the slant height or you don't, it's not required. As long as you have a base and you have a height, you can go about solving it. So my area is base times height, and I could also write it as A equals BH. Now A is 12 times 7, which gives me my area as 84 cubic centimeter. So this is how you go about solving a normal triangle, which is not a right angle triangle. It could be an isosceles triangle, and an isosceles triangle is the one that has two lengths are same and one is different. Equilateral triangles are those where three lengths are same, and there's a scalene triangle where all three lengths are different. So if you have any sort of triangles, any those sort of triangles, you can just use this formula, base times height. It's important that you have the base and you have the height, then you can just easily find out. And if you're just dealing with a right angle triangle, that means a 90-degree triangle, then you can just simply use half times base times height. Hope you understood the concept. Thank you so much for watching Easy Learn, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Take care of yourselves until next time. Thank you.